Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can generate image to image in CapCut web version. So what is image to image? Let's find out. You can open the CapCut.com, try to sign in. If this is your first time, try to create your first account, register in order to use all the service and also use the feature from CapCut web version. Let's start by click magic tools. Try to find 4 images, and this is image to image. Generate images with an image and text prompt. Click it, and here let's start by how to generate an AI image with an image. So this is the original image, and this is the prompt. You can try use your own image. For example, from this device I do have a woman image, and here you can try this prompt, and here you can use the style like surreal, CGI, American cartoon, cyberpunk. Let's try with the cyberpunk. And number of images, let's try with only 2, and generate. Wait the process. Beautiful girl, Sailor Moon style with laser PVC texture clothing, melancholy expression, and so on. So if you don't satisfy with the result, you can try another one. For example, this CGI surreal, and also there is an art and anime categories that you can use. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also subscribe button below. See you in the next video.